Sending money from Pakistan to UAE is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you will need to choose a money transfer method, such as a bank transfer, online money transfer service, or exchange company. One of the most popular options is to use online money transfer services like Western Union or MoneyGram, as they offer competitive exchange rates and low fees. Another option is to use exchange companies like UAE Exchange or Al Ansari Exchange, which have a strong presence in both Pakistan and UAE. To send money, you will need to provide the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. You will also need to provide your own identification and proof of address. Once you have chosen your transfer method, you can initiate the transfer by visiting the website or office of the service provider. You will need to fill out a transfer form and provide the required documents. The next step is to pay for the transfer, which can be done using cash, credit card, or bank transfer. The service provider will then convert your Pakistani rupees to UAE dirhams and transfer the funds to the recipient's account. The recipient can then collect the money from a designated location, such as a bank branch or exchange office, by providing their identification and transfer reference number. It is essential to compare the exchange rates and fees of different service providers before making a transfer, as this can help you save money. Additionally, make sure to use a reputable and licensed service provider to ensure the security and reliability of the transfer. In summary, sending money from Pakistan to UAE is a simple process that requires you to choose a transfer method, provide the recipient's details, initiate the transfer, pay for the transfer, and collect the money. By following these steps and using a reputable service provider, you can ensure a safe and efficient transfer of funds.